Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's put this marble inside this white balloon and tie a knot using rubber band. After this, we're going to blow it. We're making a very cute snowman here. So paste its eyes, smiley face, hat, and its hand. And look, your beautiful snowman is ready. Let's make snowflake using earbirds. So cut the tip of the earbird and we are going to make a shape like this. Paste all of them like we are doing here on this black circle and look, it's ready. Take a strip of white paper, make multiple fold and draw the shape of snowman. Cut it and draw different shapes inside it using colorful sketch pens, its muffler, eyes, and look, it's ready. Let's reuse this socks. We're going to fill it with cotton, stuff it properly. Now tie a knot. After this, we're going to make a partition as well. Cut the upper side of the socks and make the hat of the snowman. Tie it as well. Similar way, we're going to make muffler as well and tie a knot. Paste eyes, nose, and look, your cute little squeezy snowman is ready. The base of the paper cup and paste sellotape. Now draw different structures on the top of it using black marker like Santa Claus, snowman, and look, your mini projector is ready. Take this white strip of paper, fold it and make a rectangular box like this. Now cut it from its bottom part for the hands like we're doing here. Fold it upwards like this. Draw the face and hands and look how these are dancing. Going to paste this glue on the top of it. Now crumple some paper or foam and spread it on the glue and look, it's ready. We are making a beautiful artwork. We're making this house using earbirds, snowman, and we're also making this Christmas tree and look, it's ready. Cut a circle and paste this white sheet of paper. We are making this moving snowman. So paste the structure on this ice cream stick and put it on the cut like we are doing here and look, your snowman is moving like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.